Welcome to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost with me, Charlie Leatham. If you're a small business owner looking to simplify technology and get real, actionable advice from someone with 35 years of IT experience, you're in the right place. Every episode, I'll dive into tools and systems like email, CRM, marketing and tracking, and I'll break them down into bite-sized tips you can use straight away. Your time is valuable, so let's get straight to the point. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Rise and Shine is your daily dose of business tech inspiration with me, Charlie Leatham, episode number 560. And I'm going back to some screen shares. I'm going back to some tutorials. I'm actually going to cycle back to passkeys. And we're going to look at our Google account today and how you enable passkeys on your Google account. There is a specific focus on today's episode, and that's on Google Workspace. There are two things that you need to look at when you are using passkeys on Workspace accounts. The first one is making sure you've got your admin settings configured so that your users can actually use passkeys, and then how to set up a passkey on your Google account. So you're going to get this one raw today. We're going to go through how to enable it on your admin account, and then we're going to look at a Google account, my Google account, in fact, where I've already got a couple of passkeys, but for some reason it got turned off on my Google Workspace. So we're going to go through and clean it all up and do all that. So it's going to be a little raw is my whole thing on that one. So without further ado, let's head across to my Google Workspace account, and we will get this ball rolling. So this is our Google Workspace admin account. I'm not going to show you how I logged in. Again, Ryan, if you can make sure you've got things blurred out here, that would be fantastic. Thank you very much. You'll see that we've got admin.google.com as our URL. That is how you get into the account. You do need to have a super admin or a proper admin account for your Google Workspace account. Once you've got that, this is the screen you'll see. To enable passkeys on your account, you can do two things. You can come down here to security and find it through security, or do what I do because it's so much quicker. We'll just type in passkey in the search bar at the top here, and you'll see it comes up here with skip passwords. This is the setting you want. So type in passkey, you're looking for skip passwords, and you'll see that it's actually under security authentication passwordless. And ignoring my organizational units on the left-hand side here, we're showing the settings for the user in my domain. So the setting we're looking for is this skip passwords applied on whichever organizational unit it is. I've got a couple of organizations within this account, so I can set it on an organization basis. I've set it to the top level, so everyone's going to get this. Choose whether to let users skip their password if they can authenticate their Google account securely with just a passkey. You've got a little bit of information here if you want to go and read it. I am going to hit I did that very quickly. Let me do that again. I'm going to hit the little pencil icon on the right-hand side where it says edit. I'm going to click on that. Choose whether to let users skip their password. This setting doesn't apply when users are authenticated via third. That's fine. We're using Google anyway. That's fine. We're going to say allow users to skip their password and authenticate with a passkey. Users won't have the option to add a security key. They can create passkeys on security keys, but security keys that support password can't be added via. Yeah, that's a lot of words. Let's just say that and click save. Okay, so now as an admin, we've allowed passkeys to be used. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually close down this window over here. What we're going to do now that we've done this on the admin account, we're going to go to our own Google account. So to get to your Google account to set up a passkey, click on your, go up to your icon on the right-hand side. No, don't right-click on it. Just click on it. And where it says manage your Google account, I'm going to open that menu window. And that takes me into my Google account. I'm going to come down to the security tab here. And then we're going to come down the bottom. We're going to see where I've got security and passkeys and security keys already installed. It says I've got 3 already installed. Goodness knows how. I'm going to turn that, I'm going to click on that. And it's telling me, oh, right, these are old ones that I don't use. I can probably get rid of them eventually. What does that do? Let's go have a look. Let's click on this icon here. What's that going to do? It just tells you what your devices are. Okay, we can ignore that. Like I said, it's going to be raw today. I don't have a passkey set for this computer. So we're going to hear it where it says create a passkey on this device. We're going to say create a passkey. We're going to enter our PIN. So I've set up a PIN. Let's save a passkey. This is going to ask me to set up a PIN on my Brave browser. So I'm just going to enter my normal PIN or my PIN. Right. It's asked me to enter it, and then it's asked me to enter it again. Now it's said that passkey is saved. You can now use Windows Hello to sign in with your face, fingerprint, or PIN for my user. Let me say okay. All righty. Now we've got it created. Shall we see if I've messed it up? What we're going to do is we're going to... Oh, that's right. We can't sign out of all of these until we sign out. We're going to sign out of all of our accounts down here. And then we're going to sign in again. So I just want to sign in and use my passkey. Confirm your passkey to confirm it's really you. Okay, so here it's going to ask me to confirm the passkey that we just set. I've got the user that we're trying to log in as. This button here is really, really important. We'll come back to that in a minute. I'm going to click continue. Now I need to remember the password that I set, and you'll see I've got to use another device here. We're just going to use PIN because that's what we've set up. Use the PIN that we configured, and we're logged back in. So now we can get back into my account, and I've just used a passkey. I didn't have to use my, no way. Thank you. We didn't have to use my password to get in. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign out again. Going to click this sign in online. We're going to sign in again. And, oh, I can't remember. I don't know if I've got my passkey saved. I'm going to say try another way. I can use my passkey. I can enter a password. I can try another way. I don't think I've got it. Oh, I do. There we go. I've got a security key that I don't. I've got to go and find. I've got it hidden somewhere. We can tap yes on my tablet or phone. I can get a verification code from my Google Authenticator. If I've got my backup codes somewhere, I can use those. I can send a verification code to another email address. I can send a verification code to my SNS. So it's really important. The reason I want to show you this is I've got multiple ways of getting into my account. I would recommend at the very least that you have a backup email and you have your phone number configured on your account, as well as your security key. What if I say tap yes on my phone here? Yep. And if I just go to my phone here, whoops, and I can tap yes on my phone. I can update my password if I've forgotten it. I haven't forgotten it. I just wanted to use my phone, and I can get in. So that's how you set up a passkey. Whoops, we don't want to do that as well. No. So let's just quickly review what we did today, shall we? In our Google admin account, We had to make sure you only have to do this once, by the way, in your Google admin account for your workspace. You need to make sure you've got skip passwords enabled for all your users. You need to save that. You give it a couple of minutes. On your Google account, when you log in and you go to your Google account, which is myaccount.google.com, you come down to the security tab. You come down to where it says passkeys. And you can, up here, it would have said create a passkey for this device. Okay. Now you can see I've got passkeys on other devices. I've also got a security key. One day I'll talk about security keys. They're pretty cool. It's just you need to remember to have it, and I've put it away safely because, of course, I have. Once you've got it set up, you can log in and out now using your Windows Hello login and not have to worry about logging in with your password. Okay, let me come back and have a quick chat to you. So that one was a bit quick. It was also a bit messy, I think. None of these things are ever, you just do it and it's flawless. Sometimes you click the wrong thing. Sometimes you get a bit quick and you miss something. I like to show you guys how it looks in the real world, not just show you something that's flawless and beautiful and all the rest of it. I want to show you how it looks in the real world and the things that you can do in the real world. Passkeys are going to be a thing. Unfortunately, everyone's going to move to passkeys. If you check a couple of episodes ago, I do talk about it in depth, but passkeys are going to be a thing. Microsoft, for example, are moving away from password login. And you're going to, they're just going to force passkeys on you. I think they're a good thing. I think also you need to make sure you have your backup methods available just in case the worst happens and your passkey gets corrupted or it gets deleted, or you're not on that computer and you don't have your passkey saved to that computer, which is also an issue. We will talk about methods around that as this progresses, but I wanted to show you how you can set passkeys up on your Google account. I will get to your Microsoft account. I've got to do some work on my Microsoft account so I can do that demonstration for you. Alrighty, guys, I hope that was useful to you. Do you have any comments, questions, feedback? Come across and join me in my community, askcharlieletham.locals.com. We'll love to see you there to have conversations around these things. If you don't want to come and join me there, which is fine, of course, it's a free community for people. But if you don't want to come and join me there, come leave comments wherever you are watching or listening to this video. If this was helpful, please give it a like. I would truly appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you find out when I drop more content. Thanks, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey there, thanks so much for tuning in to Rise and Shine, your daily business tech boost. I hope today's episode gave you some actionable insights that will make your business tech work smarter for you. If you found value, be sure to subscribe, leave a review, and share it with other small business owners who could use a daily boost. For more tips, tools, and resources, visit www.askcharlieletham.com. Until next time, keep rising, keep shining, and let's make tech simple together.